The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 ST is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of adventure and power. Designed to conquer the open road and beyond, this machine is crafted for those who seek thrill without boundaries. Its robust presence commands attention, reflecting the legacy of Harley-Davidson infused with cutting-edge technology and performance. At the heart of the Pan America 1250 ST is the Revolution Max 1250 engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin masterpiece that delivers relentless power and acceleration. With 150 horsepower and a torque-rich output, it ensures a ride that's as exhilarating as it is smooth. The power band is broad, making it perfect for both city cruising and off-road escapades. This engine is not just about power but also about efficiency, maintaining a fine balance between performance and fuel economy. The Pan America 1250 ST is built for versatility. Its adjustable ride modes allow riders to tailor the experience to different terrains and conditions. Whether it's sport, road, rain, off-road, or a custom mode, each setting adjusts the power delivery, braking sensitivity, and suspension dynamics to provide optimal control and comfort. This adaptability makes the Pan America a true all-terrain conqueror, built for the unpredictable paths ahead. The design of the Pan America 1250 ST is a blend of ruggedness and sophistication. Its distinctive look is inspired by the spirit of exploration, with a muscular stance and aerodynamic efficiency. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern touch to its iconic silhouette. The adjustable windscreen provides personalized comfort, reducing fatigue during long rides. Every detail on this motorcycle speaks of functionality and style. Comfort and control are at the core of the Pan America 1250 ST experience. The adaptive ride height technology automatically adjusts the seat height when the motorcycle is stopped, making it accessible to riders of all sizes. The ergonomics are designed to provide a relaxed riding posture, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The heated grips, adjustable brake and clutch levers, and a spacious seat make every ride enjoyable, regardless of the distance or weather conditions. Off-road capability is a defining feature of the Pan America 1250 Street. The advanced semi-active suspension system adapts to different terrains, ensuring stability and control even on the most challenging paths. The motorcycle is equipped with tubeless spoke wheels and Michelin Scorcher Adventure tires, providing excellent grip and durability. Its off-road mode optimizes power delivery and traction, allowing riders to confidently navigate through dirt trails, rocky terrains, and steep inclines. Technology integration is a hallmark of the Pan America 1250 Street. The 6.8-inch TFT touchscreen display provides all essential information at a glance, including navigation, ride modes, and vehicle diagnostics. The system is compatible with Bluetooth, allowing seamless connectivity with smartphones for music, calls, and notifications. The motorcycle also features cornering-enhanced ABS and traction control, ensuring safety and stability during dynamic riding conditions. Safety is a priority with the Pan America 1250 Street. The motorcycle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of rider aids, including cornering ABS, hill hold control, and drag torque slip control system. These features enhance confidence and control, especially during emergency braking or sudden maneuvers. The adaptive lighting system adjusts the beam pattern based on the motorcycle's lean angle, ensuring optimal visibility around corners and curves. Storage and practicality are well addressed in the Pan America 1250 Street. It offers ample luggage options, including hard and soft panniers designed for adventure touring. The integrated mounting system allows quick and secure attachment, providing convenience for long-distance travel. The fuel tank capacity of 21 liters ensures extended range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops during long journeys. Customization is a key aspect of the Pan America 1250 Street. Harley-Davidson offers a wide range of accessories, including skid plates, auxiliary lights, and adjustable foot pegs, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles according to their adventure needs. The modular design ensures easy installation, making it a versatile platform for customization and enhancement. The Pan America 1250 ST is engineered for durability and reliability. Its robust chassis and high-strength frame are designed to withstand the harshest conditions. The engine components are crafted with precision, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Harley-Davidson's extensive service network and customer support provide peace of mind, making it a dependable companion for long-term adventures. Riding the Pan America 1250 ST is an experience of freedom and exploration. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and versatile design empower riders to go beyond the ordinary. It embodies the spirit of adventure, encouraging exploration of uncharted territories and embracing the thrill of the unknown. The sound of the Revolution Max engine, the feel of the road, and the sense of limitless possibility create an unparalleled riding experience. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 ST is not just built for adventure, it's built for explorers. It caters to those who seek excitement beyond the pavement, who are driven by curiosity and a desire for discovery. This motorcycle represents a new era for Harley-Davidson, blending tradition with innovation to create a machine that's as versatile as it is powerful. It's a bold statement of freedom, adventure, and the pursuit of the extraordinary. With the Pan America 1250 ST, Harley-Davidson has redefined adventure touring. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to new experiences, a tool for exploration, and a companion for the journey ahead. Its combination of power, technology, and versatility makes it a game-changer in the world of adventure bikes. Whether conquering rugged trails, cruising through city streets, or embarking on long-distance tours, the Pan America 1250 ST is built to perform. It challenges conventions, pushes boundaries, and inspires a new generation of riders to go beyond the horizon. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 ST is a testament to the spirit of adventure. It represents freedom, exploration, and the courage to venture into the unknown. This motorcycle is not just about reaching destinations, it's about the journey, the experiences, and the memories created along the way. It's about living life without limits and embracing the thrill of discovery. For those who dare to explore, the Pan America 1250 ST is the perfect companion. It's a motorcycle that invites you to dream bigger, ride farther, and live bolder. It's a machine that embodies the spirit of adventure, crafted for those who seek the extraordinary. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 ST is more than a motorcycle, it's an invitation to explore the world, to push beyond boundaries, and to experience the thrill of the open road. It's built for those who are not afraid to venture into the unknown, who are driven by curiosity and a thirst for adventure. It's a motorcycle that redefines possibilities and inspires riders to discover new horizons.